Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create keyboard shortcuts for favorite programs in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for CMD. Here you can see the option of command prompt. You have to click the right button of your mouse and click on Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes. Here you have to type for Explorer space shell : apps folder. After typing this, you have to press on Enter. Here you can see all of your apps. For making shortcut keyboard, you just have to drag your apps, click the right button of your mouse. Now go to Properties. Here you can see shortcut key. You just have to press on it and press on your keyboard Ctrl plus Alt. Now you can type any letter. Now click on Apply and OK. So this is how you can create keyboard shortcut for favorite program in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.